guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's having a great day. I want to say thank you for stopping in to join the video today. I am tagging this along with another video. This will be a multiple of, I believe, 4 videos in one. This will be the giveaway video. I enter giveaways all the time. I do like to review products, and I do have a 20-year-old daughter. So this video is a giveaway that I won through Beauty by Angela. You can find her on YouTube. I will also put my little thing right here. But this is how it came. This is a scarf that her husband makes, and it is so pretty. So she did send a little card with my name on it and my address, which I'm going to cover, and the cutest little stickers. I do have puppy dogs, so I thought that was rather sweet. The card is a thank you card, which I totally appreciate. I always send a card with my giveaways also. It says, "Congrats on winning my fall giveaway. I hope you love your scarf and it keeps you cozy this fall and winter. I love your channel and have enjoyed getting to know you. Angela at Beauty by Angela." So I'm super excited. I was very happy to hear when I won. And I am all about staying warm in the wintertime. I do layer up. I do not like the cold. But it is this scarf right here. It is the round infinity scarf, and it's blue with the little speckles of blue in it too, and I think it's very pretty. Now I don't know if he is selling these. I do know she had one for sale on her Instagram for breast cancer awareness, but as far as doing it full time, I am not sure. But there is that scarf on, and it is very nice. It will be very warm in the winter, so I'm super excited. And the color, although blue is not one of my favorite colors, I do like it. I do have a nice white jacket that I wear in the wintertime when me and my husband go out. And I think that this scarf would look amazing with that. So, do look her up. Do let her know that I sent you. And do ask her about these lovely scarves that her husband made. So, this is my second giveaway win at the moment. It was boxed in a BoxyCharm box, which is very nice to reuse the same things that we get. This winning was from a channel whose name is Nicole Davis. I will, as always, put her name down here somewhere. And this is how it came, in a little bitty makeup bag. So let's go ahead and open it and see what's in here. Now, Nicole is rather new. She has 5 children, I'm wanting to say. She does eye looks like a dream. So, when I open it, this is what I see inside. So let's go ahead and take stuff out so that I can show y'all what it is. So the first thing I'm taking out is I have a hair on me, is the e.l.f. Aqua Beauty Molten Liquid Eyeshadow in Rose Gold. So I don't have a whole lot of e.l.f. products. I know that they're good products. I just don't have very many myself. I am wanting to do a drugstore look. So getting items like this helps with that. And here's what that eyeshadow looks like. It's a very light color, as you can see. So there's that color. Don't mind those swatches. The color is right there. So that's pretty. I like the rose gold color. The next thing I have is an e.l.f. lip balm tint in the color Berry. That is what that looks like. And that is what it looks like when you open it. There's no smell. So it's just a light color of tinted lip balm. So Samantha will probably steal that. The next thing is 2 eyeliners. It's from LA Colors. It's called Double Take in BFF. Lines and Defines Eyes in brown and black. So I'm not going to open these right yet. I've got a million eyeliners open, so I will leave those in there until I need them. And if you do hear, Arkansas is having a windstorm today. I don't know what's going on. It storms, it's windy, it's hot, it's cold. It's fall. The next thing we have is an e.l.f. bronzer in light matte. That is what that looks like. I wasn't going to open it, but I know as soon as I don't, Samantha will, so we might as well just open it. There's what it looks like when you open it. And there is that light, that color right there swatched. And it is buildable, which is good. While that color would work for Samantha on just the one swipe, it won't work for me. But being able to build it up is nice. That way I can actually use it too. So the next thing we have is e.l.f. liquid eyeliner in Stardust. That is what that looks like. So it is very pretty. I like the sparkles. So there it is. If you can see it. There we go. I will definitely use that. The next thing we have is LA Colors eyeshadow palette in Smoky. And that is what it looks like when you open it. So there's some very pretty colors in there. We'll definitely be using. And then I have the By Nature Calm Down After Sun Relief Cooling Jelly Mask. And there's what that looks like. So I will definitely put that up for next year because I'm sure it will come into play. Samantha burned herself just by walking outside. And then the last thing in here is from LA Colors. This is the Night Out 6-color eyeshadow. Crease proof color. And that is what that looks like outside of the package. So they are very pretty colors. I don't know a whole lot about LA Colors. But I'm fixing to try them out and see. So there's 3 of the 6 colors swatched. So I will definitely give that a try. So we have 2 palettes, a bronzer, an eyeliner, an eyeshadow, a lip balm, and a travel-friendly makeup bag, which is really cool. It has all these little pockets. I like this. We'll definitely be taking this with me on travel. So, like I said, oh yeah, and the eyeliners, my bad. Like I said, please do go over and check out her channel. She is rather new, and I do enjoy watching her. I think that you would too. Please do tell her that I sent you. Today we are talking about Love and 5. I will put it down here in the bottom of the picture so that you can see it. Do go over and check her out. I really do like her. She has a sisterhood of the YouTube traveling YouTubers. She does a live every morning, rolls out of bed and does a live. Support groups. It's very nice for somebody like that to be in our community, for us women to actually be able to talk to other women. I very much enjoy her lives every morning. I do attend as many as I can. I'm not always up at that time, but a good majority I am. But the item that I won from her is the Glow Recipe Pineapple Seed Bright Serum, which we got in our Boxy Luxe for September. And I did not receive this. I picked the Sunday Riley Tidal Wave Water Cream, I believe is what it is. But this is what that looks like. I have used it a couple of times. And I know that there was a thing going around that it smelled funny. I think it smells like pineapple. My sniffer could be broken. I am a little bit older, so things don't always work like they're supposed to, but I do not think that it smells like cat pee, as everybody has said that it has. So this is what I won from her in her giveaway. Like I said, please do go over, check her out. Do let her know that I sent you. I think that you will enjoy her as much as I do. And until the next giveaway comes in, that is where I'm going to stop this one. So, you know the drill. Please do like, share, and subscribe. It does help our channel out. And until next time, you stay beautiful. Bye.